up. So barproducts.com has named me Bartender of the Month for February 2017. Good afternoon, me and Tates. China Moon from bartender608.com. This week's drink of the week is going to be the three-legged monkey, and that is the drink that I invented long time ago, and it was one of my signature cocktails, which some of you guys are familiar with. So this week is going to be the three-legged monkey. I hope you enjoy it. Have a good one. What's going on, me and Tay? Time for the three-legged monkey.